Details of my material MM02, enter, and this is my material, the center key, quality management view. In the inspection setup, I have activated inspection type 01 in this. Okay, and documentation required indicator. I have checked this option also. Material master, what all changes you are making in your inspection lot, it will keep a history of it. Information whenever the inspection lot status was changed. So I have checked this, save it. Let me show you the plan for the same material /n QP02, enter, and the material is this, plant is 0001, enter. And 01 control key in it, and the characteristics which is assigned in this plan is length. Okay, let me show you the control indicators for this. It is lower upper, sampling procedure, summarized recording, and required characteristics. Remaining controls are same only. And the sampling procedure, let me, since it is a summarized recording, I can use this one. Okay, let me show you the details for the sampling procedure also. So I am using a fixed sample with a mean value within tolerance range, and my sample size is 5 for this. Okay, so let's go back and we will try to create a lot for it. Save it. To create a lot, we will go to ME21 and enter. And my vendor is this. Enter the purchasing organization and the other details which is required for the header level data. These are the detail, and this is my material. Quantity I'm keeping it suppose 50, and the plant is 0001. Enter. So check it once. Okay, all are warning only. So we can save it. Save it. So this is the document number which is generated. Okay. Let me copy the number and we can do the mago for it. Enter and good receipt against the purchase order. This is my purchase order number. Enter, and in the material tab you will click on item, okay, and then click on check once. Item is okay, post it. So the lot might have been triggered. Let me create one more lot for the same. Okay, ME21N, enter. Let me quickly create it. Quantity I'm keeping it 40. I have to change. Is 0001. Enter. Okay. And check it once. And then post it. Save it. Number is this. Let me do the mago for this also. /mago. Enter. And this is the number. Enter. And in the material tab, click on item OK. Check it once and then post it. So now we will go to our QA32 report to check the status. 2 lots should have been triggered as we have done the mago for 2 purchase order. So these are the 2 which just now we have created with the quantity 50 and 40. So let's take the first one, which is in release date and stock posting required. If I click on results, and I'm entering the value, suppose within the range. So if I enter, say 7, enter and lock it, close this, and then save it. refresh it. So it is inspected and we can do the usage decision for the same. Here you can see the document required. This text is coming. And if I click on this, I can select the UD code or whichever is required. If I'm selecting, say, accepted, okay, and press enter key. Here you can see the change history is there. If I click on it, at present, it is saying no change document exists. Okay. And then click on save. Refresh it. That particular lot has been removed. Let me select this and we will again do the result recording for this. And this time I'm keeping the specification out of the range. So if I enter say 16, press enter. Let me close this. So the valuation has been rejected. Save it. Refresh it so it will be inspected. Now we can do the usage decision for the same. Showing me the warnings that the MICs were rejected and document required is coming. So if I select say rejected in this, press enter key. Once you click on save, the stock is not automatically moved to the desired location and it is asking me where I want to move it. So let me move the quantity to the blocked stock. Okay, press enter key. The stock has been moved. Go back and let me select all the lots and I can enter the filter for click on execute. These two are the lots. Just now we have done the UD. Select this and click on usage decision. Usage decision log is there. If I click on this, it is showing me that 50 pieces posted to the unrestricted. If I go to this, stock has been moved to the unrestricted. If I click on change history, then it is showing me one document. Okay, so double click on it. Stock has been moved 50 quantity now to the unrestricted. Go to the extras and material document. Two document, material document, it is showing me one with the 498 and 500. So if I select the first one, and here you can see the type also, reference type. So if I click on this, one means material document for lot creation when the lot was created. Second document it is showing as 3, which is material document for the usage decision transfer posting. So if I select the first one, when the lot was created, then you can see this is the Migo transaction. This is the material document number. Let's go back. And if I select the second one, which is 500, when we move the stock from the quality department, you can see transfer posting option is coming. The stock was moved. Movement type 321 was used and from the quality department to the unrestricted, and these are the location, plant and the storage location where it was moved. If I click on status history, it will show you the status also. If we make any changes, the status changes. So it will show you that history, and if you click on all the changes, then it will give you the complete list. Goods movement, transaction was done, and what all things has been done. You can see the whole history in this. Let's go back and let me save it. And if I select the second option, which is where we have rejected it, if I click on usage decision, The details you can see, and if you click on change history, then this is the document which it is showing me. The quantity 40 was moved to the blocked quantity. Extras and material document. Second option for the material document, transfer posting, and where it is posted is to the blocked stock, 350 movement type, transfer to the blocked. Let's go back. Make the changes here. Let's make it say R11. Okay. And then click on save. So when you are making any changes, then it will ask you to enter the comments like code is changed. Here you can enter the code comment like code is changed. UD code. I can enter that. Go back. And now if I again go to the usage decision, the quality score is now 40, and if I click on this, it will show me the text which we have maintained. The UD code is changed. Okay. Okay, let me go back. And if you click on this eye icon, these details, if I click on change history and if I select this and click on details, old value which was for the UD code was R, and then I changed it to R11. Okay, and the quality score was 1, and now the quality score is 40. And who did this? Let's save it. I have created another lot for the same material, and this is the lot number, which is in release date. If I show you the details for the inspection lot, we will find this material document option in the inspection lot. If I click on this, it will show me the MIGO transaction detail when the lot was triggered, and this was the inspection lot details. Okay, so let me go back, and if I do the result recording for the same date and enter, and if I select this and lock it, so status has been changed to 5, and let me save it. Again, if I go to the change mode of result recording, let me unlock it, and if I'm making it say 11, enter, and then lock it, and then you will save it. So it's not asking me any extra information when we are making any changes in the results for this particular lot. Let me refresh it. It is inspected